You're over 40 and you think your destiny is to have a dad bod, that's not the case, man. Seriously. I'm 53. I got 2 kids. I'm a dad. And, it's priorities. That's the thing. You don't have to have that out of shape, unhealthy body that most guys, when they reach 40, 50, 60, they end up getting that beer belly, the man boobs, the whole 9 yards. That doesn't have to be you. It's not me, and it's never going to be me, because I live a lifestyle where I focus on me being healthy. And I don't invest hours and hours at the gym. I don't do crazy diets and everything. I eat a whole food plant-based diet. I have for 28 years. That's kept me slim, trim, and strong and fit. That's what I want for you. I want you to be as healthy, strong, and fit as possible. And when it comes to longevity, that's the goal. You want to have that muscle, that strength, the energy and vitality that carries through your entire life. So you're going to be that grandpa, that great-granddad, picking up your great-grandkids, throwing them around, chasing after them, traveling around the world at 90, 100 years old. That's what you are looking for. That's what you should be looking for. And that's what I'm doing with Grow Pro Thrive. All my clients, we focus on strength and energy. We're not looking for ego lifts. So if you're interested in building your strength and energy and rebuilding your whole body, head on over to growprothrive.com. I'm going to teach you exactly how to become the man you've always wanted to be. Looking forward to seeing you there, man.